Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Gemini for Google Drive document processing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Gemini for Google Drive document processing, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Drive website and log in with your Google account. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. In the Settings window, scroll down until you find the section for Manage Apps. Within this section, search for Gemini in the list of applications. If you don't see Gemini listed, click on the Connect More Apps link. In the pop-up window, type Gemini into the search bar. Once you see Gemini in the search results, click on it to initiate the connection process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Gemini to work with your Google Drive. After authorization, return to the main Google Drive interface. To start using Gemini, open a document you wish to process. Click on the Open With option in the top menu of the document. From the drop-down list, select Gemini. Wait for Gemini to load the document for processing. Once loaded, you can begin using the features and tools offered by Gemini. Make any necessary adjustments or edits within the Gemini interface. When finished, remember to save any changes made to your document. That's it. You have successfully enabled and used Gemini for Google Drive document processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.